Hi guys, well here we are back again on another explore. I'm here with Dad Adventures, who's just there. We didn't actually think we were going to get in here, but DA found a way in, so here we are. We're just being a bit... yeah, well that's what's got me thinking all the smell, because it looks pretty new, doesn't it? Unless it's just being like, because it's been covered, it's still quite good. You just gotta watch the floor, haven't you? Because it's, you do. Now, I'm not sure what the camera work's going to be like, guys, because I've got the gimbal. So you know what this gimbal's like, it just does what it wants.
Guessing all the rooms are going to be pretty identical to each other.
Yeah.
It's smashed up but half stripped out. Not sure.
All the doors.
That's right. There's something flashing along there.
Sensor.
What's that here? On the edge of that door.
Yes. So I'm going to have to crawl under. I hope it hasn't got a sensor underneath.
Do you think it's worth shining a light on it, or do you think that'll make it worse?
Don't know, and there's one on this door as well, yeah. But that's not flashing. See there? That one is.
I'll get through there.
What code crawl underneath?
I'm not sure if there's any where the stairs were. Because you know, the lift was along there.
Oh, was it? Just have a little look.
Just wondering if we could sort of. Because upstairs is going to be the same, isn't it?
Yeah,
Downstairs where you can't see.
but that's it. Oh, there's big rooms in there. Is that the lift?
Aye. So where's the stairs? All the way down somewhere.
Yeah, so there has to be stairs somewhere. Hang on, what's these? Oh, there's none there. Nothing there.
Maybe we'll walk past that sensor in order to get the stairs.
Maybe, yeah.
Yeah. It does look that way.
Right.
Nothing here.
Nothing there.
So all this metalwork is new, because this was like new plasterboard.
Is it?
So I think they're doing it up.
Right.
The only problem with that is we've got to try and get past them sensors now, haven't we?
But, oh, there's a little thing. There's a door open. That one's not flashing for some
that one's not
reason. That one.
That one around the corner, that one's flashing on us.
No, there's not one there. This one has. Which one just flashed? This one? Oh, that one. Ah, that green one's just went off.
Which one? This one.
That one flashed green.
It's too late now. We've seen one there.
There's the stairs. Just is that?
Just says 24 minutes. It's not even a sensor. Oh, that goes down to a fire escape.
Oh, does it?
Aye, not even to outside.
So that's just the box that.
I think so.
The 25 security. His face is on that wall.
Hoist.
Say that again. Oh, hoist.
Aye.
What was that? Like a whistle? No. Yeah.
When you
It's
say
this.
aye, do that one, aye.
It'll go off in a minute.
I was still walking around. There's gotta be more, isn't there?
Yeah. That's all the beds, guys. It may go off itself. They tend to stop off. There's one just in front of you as well, Ben. Oh, is that door locked? Is that?
No, that's okay.
Sorry, guys. The gimbal just got knocked. Stairs there. That should stop itself there. Off the road.
That's the main road.
I think the walls probably.
Window. I want to make the window.
Yeah, to see it. I know.
That's just that.
What about this door? Yeah, well,
I haven't tried it yet.
just bathroom.
We'll try to upstairs there.
Yeah. I've just heard another one of them
Did you?
somewhere. Maybe one down here, I think.
I imagine it will be there somewhere.
That's just the door. There's this one out there.
There's one down there.
Yeah, this one.
Either just please.
Yeah, just be careful of that sensor there. Can you see it? I don't know if we get if we crawl. I've done it before.
Really?
Yeah. Sometimes if you, but I don't fancy crawling on that. It's main the other one wasn't flashing either, was it?
Yeah, it was.
I wouldn't worry.
Oh, he's running noise.
It'll go off. There's another one there.
Flashing through there as well.
Yeah.
Pretty well, isn't it?
So look down there. Sorry about the alarm, guys. It should go off in a minute. It should stop. So it looks like this is actually getting done out, or being going to get done out. Oh, there's a lift. There's a lift.
Oh, got it. It's not going to go off because there's a sensor behind you.
Oh, what's that? Oh, yeah. Oh, there's a window here, so that's
Guys. Nasty.
Should we give that a few seconds to stop? There's someone's backing. Yeah, look all these lovely flies, guys. Oh, it's just Tesco's. Mind, I went round the whole school in there. The very first. Yeah, oh, don't go in there. My very first Urbex, it was a school, and their alarms were going off.
Right.
I think I told you about it, didn't I, when I just got out of it, the security turned up.
Oh,
Oh, shut up, alarms, I hate you all.
ouch.
Nice at the set there. Oh, that's it.
Oh, well, part of it. It's through this one.
Oh, there's been stairs going up there. Stairs there. Please, that stop. That's where the stairs have gone up, guys, and they've blocked it in. This has been the kitchen, did you see?
There is at one point. I can't really tell, to be honest. I thought we would have seen like a massive room somewhere, like a seating one. Like a lounge.
Yeah. Mm-hmm. Yeah.
It's not going to last.
Oh, man, there's a door, yeah.
This way to the kitchen, right?
can do.
I've led the wrong way. So this way.
Sit that way. Have we just been here? Oh yeah, that's right, because this is door not open.
Back out, do you think?
Yeah. Well, did we go that? We went down that way, didn't we?
Aye. Been through this first. Can't see anyone out there.
Can you not? Oh,
Probably that car looking in.
oh yeah. They just keep going on and off and on and off.
Where are we going? Oh, long yeah, one.
Yeah, I think so. Yeah, it was one of these. I can't remember which one.
Sorry, I remember seeing the lift.
Oh yeah, you said about the lift, didn't you?
Aye, no.
Well, guys, there we are. Wasn't quite it's quite a big building, but not.
A little quick one.
Yeah, yeah.
No, it's just, pretty trash. I mean, it's like most places these days, you know, they're all getting smashed up all the pole.
Exactly. Yeah,
This one might actually be getting put back together at some point.
I reckon so. Yeah,
But it's nice to see for once, isn't it?
yeah, definitely.
Right, let's go before security turns up, eh?
Yes. Catch us later, guys.
See you in the next one.